Okay, this is JT Ippolito reporting for Sync Media Network. We're still at the HVAC Expo, and this is an all-electric car. Everybody's been kind of confused when you made a minute. It can't be a Lambo, but it sure does look like it. But it's all electric. And I think once you see on the inside that it's definitely not a Lambo. But a great idea for electric vehicles. So that caught our attention. I thought you'd like to see it. Again, everything from vents to sensors to calibration systems.
Well, I mean, you got Jordan, those everything.
And of course, Mercedes here with their trucks. Oh, matter of fact, this first one's a Freightliner. Shame on me. I should know my Mercedes. Now we're at the Mercedes. They're now bringing more and more of their trucks here to the U.S. So we're going to continue on. We'll show you some more things. Little short bursts. We want to make sure we keep your attention. Please share this, like this, let us know what you want to see. Again, last year we added it up. We went to over 44 different conferences, conventions, and expos. So you tell us what you want to see. We cover it. We'll let you know. So follow us on YouTube. Follow us on Facebook. And of course, everyone needs a commercial vehicle. And Nissan. This looks like something they could use with ISIL, with all the lights and off-road.
So you're working in the Pace area now?
This is JT Ippolito. Oh, you know what? For Sync Media Network, I just want to show you this one last one. The original Datsun in a Titan. That's funny. Goes to show the size difference. Classic Datsun 1200. Amazing. So, watch us, follow us, let us know what you want to see. It's JT Ippolito from Sync Media Network reporting live.